When I ran for office 4 years ago, I told the people in this county that one of the most significant problems we were going to face was the migration of gangs into Ulster County, and in particular into Kingston. There was a shooting incident in Kingston. There was a young man that we subpoenaed to the grand jury. He went and testified before the grand jury, and somehow the person that he testified against found out that he was a prosecution witness. The person that he testified against was a man named Jaron Rankin. His nickname or his street name is Fat Boy. And Rankin basically called out a hit against our prosecution witness from inside the jail. And what he did is he conspired with other members of the sex money murder gang, which is a subset of the Bloods, to execute a prosecution witness. And they did just that. They found our witness and put a .38 in the back of his head right on Cedar Street in Kingston at around 6 o'clock in the evening. So we felt it was very important to prosecute not just the individual who committed the crime, who actually pulled the trigger, but we wanted to prosecute the entire gang. And we presented a case to the grand jury. Grand jury handed down a conspiracy indictment against a number of members of the gang. And that's the first two members of the gang that were involved in the conspiracy were also charged with murder in the first degree. And I prosecuted that case, and each of those individuals was found guilty by the jury, and each of those individuals are now in prison serving life without the potential for release. This was an important case, I think, not so much because of the individuals involved, but because the city of Kingston needs to understand that as long as I'm the district attorney, we're going to take those tough cases and we're going to prosecute them, and hopefully we'll be successful.